Hey everybody, it's Zachary with BrandsMart USA, and today I'm here to share with you about the GoPro HERO9 Black. GoPro has upgraded their flagship model to have even more power, stability, clarity, and focus than ever before. So let's check it out. GoPro has been the industry standard for action cameras for many years, and they just released the HERO9 Black, which is by far the most powerful action camera to date. The HERO9 is an absolute powerhouse and is packed with a new 23.6 megapixel sensor. This action camera shoots stunning 5K videos, which is perfect for maintaining detail even when zooming in. Check this out. This Hyper Smooth 3.0 feature allows you to experience the ultimate smoothness with the most advanced video stabilization ever. With the Time Warp 3.0 feature, it allows you to capture mesmerizing time-lapse footage, whether you're on the road, on the go, or on foot, so that you can capture the perfect moments. Did you know that the HERO9 Black comes with power tools, a full suite of smart capture settings that extend the capture options beyond simply pressing the shutter button? Power tools include hindsight, live burst, schedule capture, and duration capture. Not only the HERO9 Black recognizes smiles, blinks, and more, the Gopro app uses those details to intelligently pick your best photos and videos to create amazing video stories. How cool is that? The GoPro HERO9 Black is tough as nails and water resistant, so you can use it out of the box up to 33 feet below the water, so you can record in the craziest of conditions. Don't forget to check out the GoPro app, which allows you to control your camera remotely, start and stop recording, and offload media. Plus, you can make single and multi-clip edits and share them all from your phone. With 30% longer battery life, you can shoot more without having to swap out the batteries, and packs enough juice to power your camera through the cold or any other conditions. There you have it, guys, the GoPro HERO9 Black here at BrandsMart USA.